Alright, well, as you've seen by the title, this is a comparison, sort of, between an XD and a Glock. You know, I've never really been too big on striker fires, and then I got the XD last week, and I really like the XD, and so a lot of people are like, you need to try a Glock, and I'm like, I've tried Glocks before, you know, they've been out for quite a while. Now, honestly, all I've tried before was a Gen 2, excuse me. It was like 93, and I hated the thing. The grip angle is impossible for me, you know. I mean, when I go to hold them normally, it kind of angles up for me, and so I got to kind of pin my wrist down a little bit, which I'm not used to. You know, I guess maybe for people who started with Glocks, it's better for them. I started with revolvers in 1911s. I mean, the first gun I ever shot was a Model 19, you know, Smith & Wesson. Other than that, I mostly shot revolvers, then 1911s, and then I had some Army buddies, so I got into the shooting the M9. All those have kind of similar grip angles, you know. So the Glock, which this is a Gen 19. It's not mine. I actually borrowed this from my friend HrntFixr for this little comparison. I figured I'd show people why I like the XD better than the Glock. So, you know, the XD is just perfect for me. The Glock is a little off for me. So we'll take a few shots. Maybe things have changed. Maybe I can shoot a Glock now. Although, they are kind of ugly, but I can get past ugly for function. I'm not looking to bash a Glock. They are a very reliable pistol. I'll give them that. I just hate the really big grip and the odd angle. See, with the XD grip, my hand gets around it pretty nicely. But, like I said, it's a nice pistol. Any pistol that you can usually count on to work flawlessly, it's a plus. Just can't get over that grip for me. So let's take a few shots with the Glock, see if I can hit anything today. Not fired one in, like I said, 93, so that's getting close to 20 years. So let's see what we can do today. Got a couple that didn't even get on the target, I think. Well, I did better than I did 20 years ago. Actually, not bad. I can see there was a few that I completely missed the target. But once I got used to my grip angle. So, Alright, let me paste another target on here. We'll see how the XD does. Alright, we got a fresh target on here. I counted the holes, unless I got a couple of hole-in-holes. I missed 4. I had 24 on the target. I could see 3 holes around the side on my blue target that I don't remember being there. So effectively I got about 6 shots that didn't get on the target. It's actually not bad. Let me tell you, the first one I did, it was all over a silhouette target, so better than the first time I shot a Glock. So now let's do the XD. See if I can repeat last week. Well, looks from it. I did change the back strap on this one. And I tried to group them all in one place. The first clip, magazine, and then group them on their top for the other one. So maybe I need to stick with the other one, but all in all, I guess both pretty good pistols. Still can't get over the looks. I don't think I'm gonna buy one, but might buy a 3.8 XD. Anyway, guys, there's my little comparison. Either gun is dependable. So have a nice day.